Okay, these are the videos I'm going to answer in this video, and I've written them onto the page for myself. So the first one here is, what's the probability of it being red and red? So we've looked here before and we've already actually calculated it. The red and red only occurs here, and the probability of that occurring is 5 out of 10 times 5 out of 10, which is 25 out of 100, or I can write it as 1/4. So that's the first one done. The next one, what's the probability that there's one red and one yellow? Okay, so here's a case where it is a red and a yellow. So the probability of that is 20 over 100. So that's 20 over 100. And I look down and I see that there's another case here where it is a red and a yellow, and that is also a 20 out of 100 chance. So in this case I add these two together and I get 40 out of 100, or if I wanted, I can make that a 2 in 5 chance. Okay, so they are the two spots here where it's red and yellow, or yellow and red. It asks for one red and one yellow, so I find that and I add them together. The next one is another easier one. This is the probability I get a red and then I get a blue. So I'm looking for RB. Okay, and that's here. That's the only case where it is R and a B. So I look across, and that is a 5 in 100 or a 1 in 20 chance. Okay, the next one down here, what's the probability of getting at least one blue? So I need to go through all of these and find the ones where it's at least one blue, and then I will add them together. So in this case I've got this one is one blue, this one is a blue, and this one, and this one. Okay, that's two blues, but I'm asked for at least one. That's at least one. So at least one blue, at least one blue, at least one blue, at least one blue, and at least one blue. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all I do is I add those together. Now because I had the same denominator in all of these, it's going to make it very easy to add. That's why I don't simplify them until the last thing. So we have 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So there's a 19 in 100 chance of it being at least one blue. And the last one here is the probability of exactly one yellow. Okay, exactly one yellow. So I go back up and I find those cases. Okay, here is one, so that's that particular one. This is one yellow. That's two yellows, so I can't use that one. This one is one yellow. And this one is one yellow. Okay, so before I put a star next to them, this time I'm putting a circle around them so it's easy to see them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots where I have exactly one yellow. And because I've left the denominator the same, it's going to make it easy for me to add them together. So we have 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 4 is 44, plus 4 is 48. So we have 48 in 100. If you want to simplify that, you can simplify that down to say 12 in 25. Okay, so that's how you solve these kind of ones. Okay, the first question was quite difficult, the rest are easier.